Okay, so we're going to start with a Google Earth image of a hospital we're creating the front entry piece for. You can see the front entry here. We've got our Revit model where a lot's already been modeled, but nothing on the front entry piece here in the front. So we've got our point cloud superimposed with the model. And from this, we can see where it sits in measured realistic space. We've got wall elements superimposed with the point cloud. We just need to be able to create this large limestone piece surrounding the entryway here with what looks like a flat top. To verify that, we can go to Google Street View, zoom in, and yeah, we got a flat top there, but curved sides. We can see those curved sides in our plan view with the point cloud sitting on top of this. So we're going to create a model in place element for walls. We're going to call it limestone front entry. We're just going to rough out the outside of this. We're going to go straight down, go straight across. It's off axis, so I had to hit tab, and then we'll put that on the outside measurement of those points. Again, we're slightly off axis, so I'll hit tab here, and then we'll draw a line across the bottom, and then use TR trim extend corners to be able to finish those four edges off. I'll just say 20 feet, don't really know right now, and hit the check mark. And it's created that extrusion. I can grab the top and it actually will snap to existing nearby geometry. Take a look at it again with the point cloud. Still have to hollow out the top. I'm going to drag the bottom down a bit here. And now we've got a large solid block here. It's actually going to be hard to be able to see the cutaway piece while that's there. But if we look at a section cut through here, we can see the floor, we can see the top profile. And if we click on it, we can actually see that flat top returning to where the door system is. So I'll select it, edit in place. We'll create this time a void extrusion. And I'm going to carve away a bit extra here. So I'm going to select this exact front line and then very carefully try to go down. And I'm going to remove extra just so I can see the part that we're getting rid of. So when I hit check, you can see we've got the shape shown here. We can cut that shape out by selecting the two edges here, but first we'll drag this up and down. Now that shape is voided out, a little extra, and now I can actually see the profile that I need to draw on top of. So I'll do a 3-point arc. It looks like it's not going to be a clean 3-point arc. It looks like a compound curvature here. So I'm going to do two 3-point arcs. Try to start from that end point to where it turns vertical there. 3-point arc. Had to hit tab to get off axis. It's trying to force a tangency there. We'll start from the end point. We've got a rounded corner here. So I'm going to draw across. Actually, I'm going to return straight down because we're going to have a front entry system built out of storefront. So I'll cut it back here. And I need I think about a 2-inch fillet here. So I'm going to set a radius of 2 inches. There we go. And then it will return back. Set this back line. Now I'll draw in. It's not straight up and down. I've got another 2-inch fillet here before it returns. I'll give a little straight leg so that I've got something to fillet to. All right, TR corner trim those two pieces. Don't need that. Looks like we got another 3-point arc here. Actually, I'm sorry, a double 3-point arc. All right, from here to that intersection, yes, TR corner trim. Corner trim, nice and clean. And that is the shape that we want. Let's say 20 feet. Hit apply, hit the check mark. Take a look at this, and it has voided that piece out. If we look at it in section, I didn't raise it high enough, but I can see where the point cloud returns back there and correct the height. There we go. And that's how we carve out of a front entry piece.